Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Aurelie, a green forex trader who is about to make this year her best year ever. So if you're new on this channel, please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, because on this page I talk about my journey through consistency, profitability in trading. I want us to do a breakdown of the trade that I took and the mistakes that I made. I made a very big mistake today, and that actually cost me a loss. So let's talk about this mistake in this video. For this week, I had to trade just two pairs, Euro USD and GBP JPY. Another goal that I had for today, this week, is to target a 1:2, one trade per day, and journal every trade that I take. Now, I have done my journaling already, but I'm not completely done. But I want us to talk about now. Today I had my eyes on Euro USD, which we are going to talk about in this video. However, I ended up jumping from Euro USD to GBP JPY and finally ended up with gold, and went back again to Euro US to GBP JPY, and where I took my stop loss. Now, looking at my chart right now, I see exactly why I took that stop loss. But let's go to the chart and I'll show you the different trades that I was looking at and why I took my stop loss. Currently, we're on the chart, and I want to start with GBP JPY, right? If this is the position that I'm looking out for, I want to see price tap me into this other block before I buy, right? However, there was this trade that I saw that I didn't take, but the trade actually gave me TP, and it gave me this one here, it gave me a 1:5 TP, but I didn't take this trade. However, this is a trade that I took that gave me a stop loss. Before we talk about the trade that I actually took, let's talk about Euro USD. This is exactly, and this trade is still playing out, but I'm no longer in it. This is exactly what I was looking at when it came to Euro USD. You see there is this break of structure here, and if I zoom in, you're going to see this swing high and you will see this swing low. That is it. Now the next thing that I'm looking out for is a fair value gap, which is here, and I'm looking for another block, which is here. This is going to be my demand area. Now when we go a little bit further, price created this swing high, it dropped, and it created this high here. So you see that this current high that we have here, let me take this out. I was in this trade as well. In fact, I just made a lot of trading is okay. Now I was on this, okay, what am I saying? So when you look at the chart, you're going to see that we have this swing high here, and we created this swing low. So this is a new swing high and a low. Price changed character. After changing character, price gave me a fair value gap with another block. So I went to the 5-minute time frame. This is where I was looking out for my entry. I took this trade here. Actually, this is where I took this trade. Here I entered somewhere here at this other block here, and I was targeting a 1:2 to this zone here, to the previous swing low. That is going to be a 1:3. Now price gave me a 1:2. There was a spike in the market. Price gave me 1:6.6, and it reversed back, right? Now when price did this thing, one thing that I did is that I saw another person's chart and the person was buying, so I left my chart. Don't follow other people's strategy. Don't follow other people's setup. Your setup has to be your setup. Whatever anybody thinks in this market is none of your business. You just need to focus on whatever you think. I'm talking to you and I'm talking to me at the same time. Whatever you see and whatever you think has to be your truth. Another person's truth should not be yours. So that is why I left this this setup, and now it's playing out. Like, it's still playing out, and I know it's going to play out so well. The next thing that I did is I came on GBP JPY. Then on GBP JPY, wait, this is not it, is this one. On GBP JPY, I was looking at this zone here, and trust me, it was good. You see that there is this break of structure here, right? price created a fair value gap, and we have another block here. I set this up, but I didn't take the trade. I went back to gold. Okay, for gold, price gave me, let's go on the 1 hour time frame, because I still don't understand. Honestly, I'm very honest here. I don't understand why I took this trade on gold, but let me break it down. I saw that price had this low, it broke structure, then it left liquidity, swept liquidity, and I went to the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, what do I see? I see a change of character, liquidity sweep, fair value gap, and another block. Price taps me in. Price gave me approximately a 1:1 point something. Let's see. Price gave me a 1:1, 1:2. Just the thought of it makes me so upset. Price gave me a 1:2, and it reversed and it tapped me out, right? But I had set break even, so it took me out at break even. Now I went on Euro USD, no, JBP JPY, sorry. I still don't understand why I took this trade. Okay, this is why. I was taking this trade because I was looking at someone's setup. Oh, there is this strategy that I learned that you need the ICT silver bullet. You map out the 10 a.m. and the 11 a.m., which I did. You wait for a break of structure, which I did. You wait for a fair value gap, which I did. You enter at other block or fair value gap, then you target a 1:2. But it did not give me a 1:2. It gave me a 1:1.24, and I took a stop loss today. This is my first trade for the week, and I took a stop loss, and these are the mistakes that I made. The first mistake was that I overtraded. My rule is to take 1 trade a day, so immediately I had hit break even on the trade on gold, I should have stopped trading. Another mistake that I made is following another person's setup, because I don't know why, but I shouldn't have followed that person's setup, because why do I think someone else is right and I'm wrong? Now I paid the price. Another mistake that I made was, I think that was all. The first, because my risk management was good, I actually risked 0.5% of my account. So I have taken my first loss for the week, and we are hoping for a better week. We still have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so we have a long way to go, and I know that I'm going to catch up. Definitely I'll catch up. So that is it for this video, and I hope you're not going to commit the same mistakes or make the same mistakes that I made, and I'm definitely going to see you in the next one. Bye.